In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Kajabi Video Downloader extension in a Chromium-based browser. We'll go through the setup process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can get the extension installed correctly and ready to use. This process only takes a few minutes, but it's important to follow each part carefully, especially when downloading the files and loading the extension into your browser. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Kajabi Video Downloader GitHub repository. Once the page loads, look over to the right-hand side and find the Releases section. This is where the downloadable versions of the extension are stored. Click Releases, and then under the latest release, find the Assets section. In that section, download the zip archive file. This zip file contains all of the extension files you'll need, packaged together for easy download. After the download finishes, go to the file on your computer. Depending on your browser and settings, it may appear in your Downloads folder or along the bottom or top of your browser window. Once you've located it, extract the contents of the zip file into a folder. This step is important because your browser won't load the extension directly from the compressed archive. It needs access to the unpacked files inside a normal folder. Now open a Chromium-based browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, or Opera. With that browser open, click into the address bar and type Chrome extensions. If you're using Microsoft Edge, type Edge extensions instead, and then press Enter. This will take you to the browser's extensions management page. When you arrive there, look for the developer mode toggle in the top right corner and turn it on. Enabling developer mode gives you access to additional options that allow you to install extensions manually from a folder, which is exactly what we need to do here. Once developer mode is enabled, click the Load Unpacked button. A file selection window will appear. From there, browse to the folder where you extracted the zip contents and select that extracted folder containing the extension files. As soon as you select the correct folder, the Kajabi Video Downloader extension will be installed in your browser. At that point, it should appear in your extensions list and be ready to use. If you run into any issues, the most common cause is selecting the zip file itself instead of the extracted folder, so make sure you choose the unzipped version. And that's it. The extension is now installed and ready to go.